A busy Saturday. It is Saturday morning. Anna wakes up and looks at the clock. It is 9 a.m. I have to do many things today. She gets out of bed and walks to the kitchen. The kitchen is messy. I need to wash the dishes. I have to clean the table too. She puts the dishes in the sink and starts to wash them. Then, she hears a knock at the door. It's her friend, Nino. Hi, Anna. Do you want to go for a walk? I want to, but I have to clean my apartment. I need to vacuum the floor and dust the furniture. And I also must do the laundry. My clothes are dirty. Okay, I understand. You're busy. I must go now. Call me later. Nino leaves, and Anna gets back to work. She vacuums the floor and dusts the shelves. After that, she goes to the bathroom. She puts on gloves and starts cleaning. After 1 hour, the bathroom is clean. Now it is lunchtime. Anna sits down and eats a sandwich. Then she looks at the laundry basket. I almost forgot. I need to do the laundry. She puts the clothes in the washing machine. While waiting, she sits down and rests. Later, the phone rings. It's Nino again. Hi, Anna. Are you done? Almost. I just need to fold my clothes. Then I can relax. Great. Let's talk later. Maybe watch a movie tonight? Yes. I must rest now, but I'll call you later. Anna finishes her chores and sits on the couch. I feel tired, but happy. I did everything I had to do today. Grammar. Need to. We use it when something is important. Need to is often about personal needs. Example, I need to study. Have to. We use it when there is a rule or obligation. Have to is used more in everyday life. Example, I have to go to work. Must. We use it when something is very necessary or urgent. Must feel stronger. Example, I must call my mom. Mini quiz, choose the correct answer. Answers. Fill in the blanks with need to, have to, must. Suggested answers. Speaking practice, answer the questions. You can use need to, have to, or must in your answer. 1. What do you have to do every morning? Example, I have to brush my teeth. 2. What do you need to do today? Example, I need to go shopping. 3. What must you never forget? Example, I must never forget my keys. In this lesson, you learned the difference between need to, have to, and must. How to use these words to talk about things that are necessary. A short story and dialogues with real-life examples to help with speaking and listening. A quiz and practice exercises to check your understanding. Thank you for watching Lesson 5. Practice with your friends or write your own sentences in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss the next English lesson. See you in lesson 6. Bye for now and keep learning English.